During our wedding, sometime in the year 1989, our godmother and godfather gave us a gift, and it was a Bible. And one night at home, I knelt down in front of the altar and prayed and asked something to God. My hands is holding the Bible. Then later on, I opened it and I read it. It was really an amazing night in my life because I can feel that the words in the Bible is alive. And it was God. The Word is God. The words is so powerful that it seems like a two-edged sword that bursts within inside my heart. Then suddenly my tears, so many tears, fell down from my eyes down to my face. I don't really understand why, but only I know one thing that God spoke to me that night, and the words is God, and He wants something of me. He wants to change my whole life. He wants to change me. He wants to change my heart. That was my amazing experience in my life, reading the words of God in the Bible. Thank you so much, Lord.